This English word, MEH. You've read it, you've heard it on TV shows and movies. What does it mean? We're not talking about this meh. In English conversations, it sounds like this. Meh. It usually goes with a shrug. Meh. It means it's okay. That's all right. It's not so great. It's boring. I'm bored. I don't like it. I don't want it. I'm not impressed. It's so-so. And so what? 有点像中文的不咋地。What do you think about it? Meh. How was the movie? Meh. You can say it in a number of ways. 这个音呐可以从鼻子里面挤出来。Do you want a burger? Meh. Do you want steak then? Meh was a sound adopted from Yiddish to the American English in the 1920s. It was made popular by The Simpsons show in the 90s.
Kids, how would you like to go to Blockoland?
Meh.
But the TV gave me the impression that...
We said meh. M-E-H. Meh.
Since then, it has been slowly gaining popularity. It even made it into the headlines of news stories. Look at this. U.S. government shuts down. World says, meh. 如果你想学到更多的英语口语表达，来加入我的口语练习直播课，请给我发电子邮件报名。